Eating fewer carbs can have impressive health benefits. It has been shown to significantly reduce hunger levels, which tends to lead to automatic weight loss, without the need for calorie counting. Here are some zero-carb foods, most of which are healthy, nutritious and incredibly delicious. Number 1. Eggs. With almost zero carbs, eggs are among the healthiest and most nutritious foods on the planet. They're loaded with various nutrients, including some that are important for your brain, and compounds that can improve eye health. Number 2. Beef. With zero carbohydrates, beef is highly satiating and loaded with important nutrients like iron and vitamin B12. Number 3. Lamb. Like beef, lamb contains zero carbohydrates and have many beneficial nutrients, including iron and vitamin B12. Lamb is also tend to have a high amount of beneficial fatty acid. Conjugated linoleic acid, a very beneficial antioxidant. Number 4. Chicken. With zero carbohydrates, chicken is among the world's most popular meats. If you're on a low-carb diet, it may be a better choice to go for fattier cuts like wings and thighs. Number 5. Pork, including bacon. With zero carbohydrates, pork is another delicious type of meat, and bacon is a favorite of many low-carb dieters. Bacon is a processed meat, and therefore definitely not a health food. However, it's generally acceptable to eat moderate amounts of bacon on a low-carb diet. Try to buy your bacon locally, without artificial ingredients, and make sure not to burn it during cooking. Number 6. Jerky. Jerky is meat that has been cut into strips and dried. Number 7. Salmon. Salmon have zero carbohydrates. It is a fatty fish, which means it contains significant amounts of hard healthy fats, in this case omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon is also loaded with vitamin B12, iodine and a decent amount of vitamin D3. Number 8. Trout. Like salmon, trout is a type of fatty fish that is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and other important nutrients. Number 9. Sardines. Sardines is a fish that is generally eaten almost whole, including their bones. It is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet and contain almost every single nutrient that your body needs. Number 10. Shellfish. It contains 4 to 5 grams of carbs per 100 grams. It is one of the world's most nutritious foods. In fact, they rank close to organ meats in their nutrient density and are low in carbs. So the bottom line is that eating fewer carbs can have impressive health benefits and doesn't have to be complicated. A healthy, low-carb diet based on real foods can help you lose weight and improve your health. For more scientific updates, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.